Welcome, this is Levitin, and today we're going to actually look at how to log in. Okay, so I did a previous video on how to log in, but something actually happened to you, so I'm doing it again. Okay, so if actually you have not watched the video, it's time you follow up. Okay, so know how to log in against tomorrow exam. All right, so first of all, if actually you want to log in, this is the interface you see. This is actually how the page will look like. Okay, probably you'll be provided with what we call a desktop or either a laptop. Now, if you are provided with a desktop, you have a mouse that you're going to use, and the mouse, what you use most of the time is what we call left click. This particular one, left click. Okay, that's what you're going to use. Then for you to log in, what you have to do here is, for example, you take your cursor to this place. You can see my cursor. Okay, can go in. You can see my cursor get to this place. I will click it. When I click that particular place, okay, there's a part in your form, your printout they gave you, the printout, the one you have recently now, that contain your exam number, your venue, and also your subject that you're about to write. The printout you have, okay, there's a part in the printout you see as you go down after your name, you go down a little bit, you see a place they will write what we call reg number, registration number. Please check it. You see a place they wrote registration number. Usually end with an alphabet, just like you are seeing. It ends with what? An alphabet. Okay, so the registration number ends with an alphabet. So if you go to that particular place, you see your own reg number. It started with what we call 20244 2024. That's what it means, 2024. The remaining one is your reg number. Is that okay? So that one that started with 2024 is what you're going to type on that day. So on that day, you're going to see something like this, an interface with a JAMB logo. Then you see a place they will write something like this. Okay, they will not write print examination slip. Then they will write enter your what? Registration number. That's what you see there. Enter your registration number. So you enter your registration number. You carry your cursor. You take your cursor to that place and click. Then you enter your what? Registration. You type it. Your registration number like this. 20244. Okay, you can see it. Then you type other numbers. Let's say, for example, I have this as my other number. Then at the end of it, you write something like you see two alphabet. Let's say, for example, have a GF. Okay, as the two alphabet that comes after that. Okay, then you come down a little bit. You can see my cursor at this particular place. What you see there is what we call log in or enter. That's what you see, not print examination. You see log in or enter. You click on log in and enter. Okay, it will take you to this place. Okay, so you log in and enter. That's where it will take you. Okay, so while doing it, for example, let's say, for example, I made a mistake here while I was typing it, and the mistake was, for example, I omit one number while I was typing it. So I'll go and click close to the number, take my cursor and click close to the number like this, or you can start from here, no problem. Then you do what we call backspace. This is the backspace in the keyboard. You see a place they wrote backspace. This is a backspace. Okay, when I'm clicking the backspace, the thing will be clearing gradually, be going out. Okay, that's it. Till you get to your error, then you do what? You retype again. All right, and you have it done. Then you can click your what? Enter key. Okay, to start your what? Your exam. So immediately you do that, okay, you now do what? You log in. So it will take you to this page that you are seeing now. Okay, this is what it will take you. It will bring it to this particular page. This is your exam page. Okay, inside the exam page you will see something like English, chemistry, physics, and what? And biology. Okay, you can start with anyone. You can write chemistry. If I'm tired of chemistry, I can go to physics. If I'm tired of physics, I can go to what? Biology. Or make sure you click everything, because you don't know which one is the answer. Okay, for example, the one you don't know, you click, make sure you click everything. There's nothing like negative marking. Click everything. Make sure you answer all the options. Is that okay? When you click it, you see the option there. You click it. If it's B, you click it. If it is C, okay, you can also use keyboard. Let's say, for example, I type something like B. This is a B now. I click B. Okay, you see the thing reflect on what? On B. I see it. Okay, it reflects on what? On B. If I type C on my keyboard, look at my hand, C. Okay, I click C, it will show on C. So that is how to what? Do it. You can use keyboard also to do it, but use your cursor to select next and previous. Next is when you want to go to the next one. You can see number 2, number 3 going. Okay, the previous is when I want to go back again. Then all these numbers are examination what? Questions. Okay, you can choose to go to number 9. Okay, you can choose to jump to number 7. Okay, that's how it is. Then here over there in physics, you can choose to answer physics. You can choose to answer what? Biology first. But you as a science student, always make sure that you answer what? English, biology first, English first, biology, followed by chemistry and what? Physics, because chemistry has a little calculation in it, but physics has more calculation. Okay, if you're answering anything that has to do with calculation, let it be last in what you calculate. For example, okay, if you're answering something like economics, after economics you come to maths. for you to do or to utilize your time. Okay, so this is actually what I want you to know. Then for example, some people are asking what is caps lock when you are doing it. For example, if you go to that interface here, you can see it very well. Okay, you now use your caps lock. If actually you see that for capital letters in that your registration number, you press caps lock. Whenever you press caps lock, if it's in small letters, you see it in one capital letters. Okay, that's what we call uppercase. Okay, you can see it in uppercase now, like I saying. Okay, if it is in what, in lowercase. So that is how to go about it. I wish you guys good luck and bye. Always remember, please subscribe. Then you can share to your friends, let them know what you know, and they will help them in the exam. Then you can like, okay, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. This is Leviton. Hold on, we are going to share, send some past questions to our subscribers also, okay, to help them in their pursuit of any university. You can just write your name and your email address, say I've subscribed, and okay, you can send this thing, and when you're about to send it, everybody will get theirs. Okay, thank you, and this is Lev. Sure, you answer all the questions. Then another thing I want to tell you is, before you go to the exam, please, a day before the exam, make sure you eat very well. Please eat very well, because you might not have time to eat the next day of the exam. Eat very well. Then when you eat very well at night, okay, the following day, make sure you ease yourself, because you might not have that time to do what, to go and ease your, especially when you're writing an exam under tension, you will not perform very well. So the best advice there, make sure you eat very well, then ease yourself very well in the morning, the following morning. Eat very well, ease yourself, and prepare yourself, get your things intact, okay, and you don't take phone to the exam hall. Okay, then another thing I actually want to tell you guys again is the interface where the exam is. Okay, you take your cursor to this place. If you see something like this is calculator. You will see it in the top page of the exam. Okay, so this is actually what we call calculator. Please, you click it and the calculator will come. Use calculator if you don't want to use it for the computer calculator. Please, that is it. Success. Please subscribe, share, like, subscribe. Okay, that's it.